Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 51 of the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. And our prompts for today is something you see or do on vacation. And I've got this suitcase and the film strip. Back in my day, this is how you took pictures. You had to take your pictures and have them sent off, and they sent this back in the envelope. All right, I need a crossword, a magazine, newspaper, puzzle. So I've got this crossword, a calendar or portion, and this is from a calendar. So I'm going to use the pretty side. Geometric shapes. I've got these little hexagons. I'm not sure where they are, but I found them stuck in a jar, and so I thought I would use those. A piece of dried tea bag. I don't have that, so I'm going to skip that one. And the bonus is something folded, and I've got this little origami Christmas tree. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. Well, I am doing good. Let's see here what I'm going to do first. Kind of lay this out and see where I want everything. Okay. That's going to take up a good part. I'm thinking about just like maybe doing these just in the corner, just kind of doing a little design in there. They're fiddly, so we'll figure out a way of arranging those. And I'd rather have that up underneath. But I've got these cute little animals that I got from the Digital Collage Club, so I thought I would add those. And we have got maybe a Christmas tree down here. Or maybe that. Do a little cluster. Maybe turn that. Or that way the bulk will be on the outside of the book and not next to the spine. I could do that. That's cute. And then just do our happy holidays. I like the way that looks. So let's get started. Okay, since I don't know, there's my tweezers. Okay. I think it would be easier to do these with tweezers. Maybe. Well, it's not a whole lot going on here. Just getting ready for Christmas. We've, of course, we do have our tree up and decorated the house. And we've started watching Christmas movies when we're all off. We've watched Home Alone 1 and 2. So I don't know, we'll probably watch 3 tomorrow. I am filming this on Saturday. This will come out on Sunday, and that would probably be the day that we probably watch Home Alone 3. I have to admit, it's one of my favorites. I guess because I liked Home Alone 1 and 2. I mean, they're classics, but I didn't like how disrespectful they were to the parents and the way that, I don't know, it just bothered me. But I do, on the third one, it had the little boy that was so cute, and had a very young Scarlett Johansson. And I do like, they were more respectful, you know. I think I'll add these in the middle just to bring a little bit more of a festive vibe. Kind of got the greens going on. And these just happen to be sitting around, so I'm going to use them. Just put them in the center of each one of those hexagons. As that one just shot across. Okay. Oops. See if I got another spare one. I guess I can get another one because I don't know where that other one went. All right. Cute. All right, let's get all this down. I've already inked. Let's grab this. Yep. All right, grab my glue book. And get to gluing. I've been enjoying doing the Christmas. I did my Dip and Remember in Christmas this year. I just wanted to do that. I mean, it is the season, so let's see what is the best way to. Yeah, that might be good. Okay. I've been working on a Christmas journal. Of course, I won't finish it in time to do anything with it this year. I'll have it for next year. I was gonna let it be a giveaway for 1,000 subscribers, and I've just had the oddest times with I'm 990, at least the last time I checked, and it has been going up and down, 3 and 4. I had 994 subscribers, then it went to 993, and then it dropped to 990. It has just been up and down. It's been very frustrating for me because it's been doing that ever since I was in the 960s. It would go up and down, up and down. It'd go up, and then want to come back down. It's kind of hard to keep your spirits up when you're dealing with that. Okay, but I don't think I'm gonna have my 1,000 subscribers before Christmas, so I'll have to come up with something else. I mean, my content may not be for everyone, but I just don't see that many people up and down, and I hope I haven't offended anyone. I don't think I have. I certainly haven't intended to. Okay, let's see, we got that. Let's see, I lost my film strip. No, it's not. What did I do with it? Did I drop it again? Oh, there it is. Losing my mind, y'all. Yeah, this is what I have left over from a prompt of December. Okay. All right, we will add that. There's only one more left. And I haven't seen her mention whether she's going to have this again next year. So she may not even do the Margarete Miller. If she is, she's waiting awful close to time for us to get ready. And I learned to do this watching G. Kerr. I've done this years ago. I just had it in my stash. I was using it as an ornament when I made it. I used to have a DIY channel, and I used this as an ornament for one of my DIYs. Glue that down. I had to pull the hook out. All right. Oh, and I need to put this, I may go across there. You can see it a little bit better. It's also part of the calendar. All right. So I've got something you see her do on vacation. I've got my film strip and my suitcase. I've got my crossword puzzle. I've got my portion of a calendar. I skipped the dry, geometric shapes. I skipped the dried tea bag and something folded. So I've got everything I need plus cute little animals. And now, just because I really love to do this, I am going to add some gold splatters. It's my thing. It just makes it festive. Alrighty. I guess she's done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great, wonderful day. Take care. I love you. I hope your week is wonderful. And until next time, bye y'all.